Okay, so today I'm going to be extracting some banana DNA. You can use other fruits too, like strawberries, kiwis, and blackberries. Those are some other options. So first, you have to get part of the banana and get a baggie, and you have to put the banana in the baggie like this, and then seal it tight. Sure, because you have to squish it like this. You can do it for about 30 seconds to a minute. And the point of squishing is to break down like all the cell membranes and cell walls of the banana. You have to make sure it's nice and squished up because you don't want any chunks to end up in your cup. Make it really like gooey. So after it's nice and squished up, you should move it to one end of the baggie, this, and then hold it over your cup, and you can cut the end off, and then start pouring this in. Okay, so since the banana is kind of thick, you should try and you should add a little bit of water to it to make it a little bit, like that's good. Maybe a little bit less. Pour some out. Okay. So then after that, you add some dish soap, or you don't have to use dish soap. You can use shampoo or something around like soap. Which is good because it breaks down the lipid around the nucleus where the DNA is, because the lipid is basically fat, and that soap breaks down fat. So you can add 2 spoons of the soap, and then you should mix it up, which is good. So you should mix up the solution. That. Then this part, you can get something like rubbing alcohol, and then you change the variable of it. Like in this case, mine was really cold, but you can also have it at room temperature. You have to be really careful on this part, so you should tilt your cup like this and pour the rubbing alcohol really slowly into it so the 2 liquids separate. And the point of the rubbing alcohol is to basically extract the DNA, because the DNA is not soluble in water. It is soluble in water, but not in alcohol. So that's why you should use the alcohol. And then you should wait for the DNA to extract. Okay, it's gonna start forming. It's kind of basically gonna be like white and gooey. And then once you see it, you can take like a toothpick or something small and sharp. You gotta be careful not to mix it, so you can get your DNA, because you don't want it to mix. Be careful. And here, this is basically what banana DNA is. Okay, so that's how you extract DNA from a fruit.